Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will discuss about a great poet P.B. Shelley. So we will discuss about P.B. Shelley, who is the great romantic poet, and he comes under the category second generation of romantic poet. He was born in 4th August 1792 at Field Place near Horsham in Sussex. His parents were Timothy and Elizabeth. Means his father was Timothy and his mother's name was Elizabeth. Shelley received his education at Eton, where he was called Mad Shelley due to his shy sensitivity and moody nature. Shelley matriculated at University College, Oxford in the year 1810. In 1811, Shelley and his friend Thomas Jefferson Hogg were expelled from the college for publishing a pamphlet named The Necessity of Atheism. Shelley eloped with Harriet Westbrook and were married in Edinburgh in 1811, but the marriage was a failure. In 1813, Shelley eloped with Mary Godwin and her half-sister Claire Claremont to Switzerland. In 1816, Harriet drowned herself. After the death of Harriet, Shelley passed some time with Leigh Hunt in Hampstead and then married Mary Godwin on December 30, 1816. Mary Godwin was the daughter of William Godwin, the famous writer. Mary Shelley bore a son in 1816, and at the same year, Alastor and the Spirit of Solitude were published. Shelley gained the friendship of Byron in 1816. Shelley was highly inspired by Godwin and Plato. Shelley died in July 8, 1822 due to drowning while sailing in a boat off the Italian coast across the Bay of Spezia, and the name of the boat was Ariel. Now let's discuss popular works of Shelley. So the first important work and most popular work by Shelley is Queen Mab, that was published in 1813. It is the first large poetic work by P.B. Shelley, and it is a philosophical poem in 9 cantos. It was published in 1813, and revised edition of this poem was published in 1816 under the title The Demon of the World. It is inspired by Milton, Southey and Godwin, and it is known as visionary and ideological poem. In the beginning, the poem is lyrical, invoking death and his brother's sleep. The poem largely consists of attack on monarchy, war, commerce and religion. Second important poem by Shelley is Alastor, and other name of this poem is Spirit of Solitude. It was published in 1816. It is also a visionary poem of P.B. Shelley. It was written in 1815 and got published in the year 1816. Here the word Alastor means the evil spirit of demon of solitude. It tells how the poet left his alienated home, and the main theme of the poem is love. The poem contains 750 lines of blank verse, and the poem is an allegory. Here Thomas Love Peacock, who is also a great writer, he suggested the poem's name Alastor, and it is taken from Roman mythology, which means evil genius. Third important work by Shelley is The Revolt of Islam. It is an epic political poem written in 1816 and got published in the year 1818. It was written under the title Laon and Sithna, or The Revolution in the Golden City, a vision of the 19th century. The poem is idealized version of the French Revolution. It is composed in Spenserian stanzas, means each 9-line stanza is divided into 12 cantos. Means here stanzas are of 9 lines and it has 12 cantos. The poem contains powerful images of French Revolution and the character Sitna is of historical interest. Here is also eagle and snake battle in this poem, and this poem is dedicated to Mary Shelley, means the wife of P.B. Shelley. Fourth important work by P.B. Shelley is Julian and Madello. It was written in 1818. It is a conversation, means it is a conversational poem. It is a philosophical poem and it published posthumously in the year 1825 by his widow Mary Shelley. This poem is in heroic couplet and presents a conversation between Julian and Madello. It is based on the theme of the power of man and potency of human mind. Here Julian is represented by Shelley himself and Madello is represented by Byron. Here Julian reflects atheism and faith in the potentialities of man, while Madello reveals the bitter cynicism, and this cynicism is reflected closely by Lord Byron as Madello. Fifth important poem is Ode to the West Wind. So Ode to the West Wind is one of the greatest odes of English literature. It was composed in the autumn of 1819 and published with the Prometheus Unbound in 1820. The poem is remarkable for its theme, range of thought, poetic beauty, and lyrical movements. Adonais is also one of the important poem by P.B. Shelley that was published in the year 1821, and it is written in Spenserian stanza, means 9-line with rhyme scheme. Now let's discuss minor works by P.B. Shelley. So the first minor work by P.B. Shelley is The Cenci. It is a tragedy. It was written in 1819. It is a 5-act tragedy in blank verse. It's a first play by P.B. Shelley. Second minor work is The Witch of Atlas that was written in 1820 and got published in the year 1824. Means it was published posthumously and it was written in Ottawa Rima stanzas. And the theme of this work is quest for perfect union. Third work is Prometheus Unbound, a lyrical drama that was written in 1818 to 1820. It is a closet drama and it is written in 4 acts, means, and it's a second play by P.B. Shelley. The Trump of Life is another work of P.B. Shelley and the subtitle of this work is A Figment. So it's all about P.B. Shelley and his works.